Whether you haul dirt bikes, lumber, camping gear, or just way too many weekend supplies, Tacoma owners know bed space disappears fast. A good bed extender solves that problem by adding usable cargo room and keeping gear secure instead of sliding all over the place. Today we're checking out some of the best Tacoma bed extenders out there, and yep, all product links are waiting down below in the video description. Starting off with the AMP Research Bed Extender, this one feels like the premium heavy hitter of the bunch. Built from lightweight but strong aluminum alloy with reinforced composite uprights, it's designed for serious hauling without adding unnecessary weight. The flip-in and flip-out design is super practical. Keep it inside to organize smaller cargo or flip it outward for up to 2 extra feet of hauling space. Owners love the sporty shape, solid construction, and smooth factory-style fit. Rolling into number 2, the SZYANG Bed Extender brings some creative versatility to the table. Besides working as a traditional bed extender for longer cargo, it can also convert into a camping or work table once removed. That makes it especially appealing for overlanders and outdoor folks. The aluminum construction resists corrosion, and the integrated mounting grid gives you options for attaching toolboxes or recovery gear. Reviews highlight its lightweight feel and surprisingly flexible design. And finally, number 1 goes to the Trumgeta Bed Extender, mostly because it pushes versatility even further. Instead of only extending the bed, it doubles as a divider to keep gear organized and easier to reach. The built-in maul panels open up tons of mounting possibilities for bags, straps, and trail gear, which Tacoma owners really appreciate. The adjustable width helps fit different setups, while the reinforced pivots and anti-rattle details make it feel trail-ready and built for repeated use. That wraps up our picks for the best Tacoma bed extenders worth checking out. Whether you want maximum cargo length, better organization, or a more adventure-ready truck setup, there's something here for every Tacoma build. Don't forget, all the product links are down in the video description, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more Tacoma gear, truck upgrades, and cool automotive finds.